Hello everybody and welcome back to this introduction to Bash scripting video series. In this video we are going to cover Bash functions. Functions are a great way to reuse your code so that you don't have to type it every time. You could just type it once and wrap it up in a function and then just call that function whenever you need it. So let's head to our terminal and create our first function. Let's delete the old script file and let's create a new one. Again, let's start with a shebang. Here, let's put a short comment describing the structure of a function. So to create a function, what you need to do is start with a function keyword. Then you need to put the function name. Then after that, using a opening and a closing bracket, followed by a curly bracelet, and then inside those two curly bracelets is where you put your function's body. Note that you don't always have to put the function keyword in front, but I like it because it makes the code a little bit more readable. So let's go ahead and create a function. Let's start with the function keyword, and then the function name would be hello, then the opening and the closing brackets along with the curly bracelets. Here, let's just echo out hello world function, and then in order to call the function, all you need to do is just use the function name. So if you go ahead and save that, run the script, sure enough, you're getting the hello world function output. The cool thing about this is that you can call the function as many times as you like. So if we call it a second time, further down the script, it would work just as normal. So rather than having to type hello world function each time, we can just type hello and it would be the same output. Okay, let's go ahead and create one more function and I'll show you how function arguments work. So let's call this function greeting, and here let's say hi there. Then we would accept an argument. It will be the first argument, similar to the bash arguments that we covered in the earlier videos. So then in order to use that, all that you need to do is call the function name followed by a argument, and here Bobby would be the first argument, so the output would be hi there Bobby, because Bobby is the first argument that we specified after the function name. And this is pretty much it. I use functions a lot in my scripts. What I usually do is just put all of my logic and wrap it up in a function, and then I call that function later on. This is going to be it for this video. In the next video, we're going to cover some debugging and testing. Thank you, and I'll see you next.